What up, people? I'm going to show you how to edit to the beat like this. This is using a feature inside Instagram edits called beats. And I'm going to show you two different ways you can kind of approach this. And I'm going to do all that within 10 minutes. So first of all, let's start the countdown timer. Here we go. So first of all, you want to have your phone at the ready and off we go. Open Instagram edits. We're going to go along, third tab along, and we're going to start a new project. We're going to press plus and go to the gallery. So first of all, you're going to need to have some footage that you want to use. So I should have a few bits and pieces in here somewhere that I'm just going to grab that are unedited. Here we go, just these ones in here, this one, and go, yeah. So an array of different video footage, okay? So all of this, first of all, I'm going to turn off the sound on this. All of this is just unedited. I've just chucked it in and we're going to kind of try and edit to the beat as quickly as we can. So first of all, you're going to have to add your audio. So to point out beat sync, you're going to need audio of some kind. You can import your own audio or you can select from audio here. So select whichever one you're going to, and obviously you've got different options up here. I'm gonna go to pick some royalty free, but I've already saved the tracks that I'm gonna use. So for this instance to show you, I'm gonna use success and I'm gonna enter that in here. Now, if we can just see, it's just added some music over the top, okay? Now we're going to find the bits that we're going to want to hear and know about. So you might press play and you've got, that's the music and you've got some different things. Now I'm going to tell you something here. I'm going to edit this and I actually can't hear because I've got it plugged in so that you can see my screen. There's no audio coming out for me. But this is going to be really interesting because to the beat, I shouldn't even necessarily need to be able to hear it to see how it comes out. So this is going to be a bit crazy experiment we're going with right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we selected the track. I'm going to find a bit that has quite a lot of music in it. So I'm going to scroll along and I'm just going to go to, maybe that is the whole track. 1 second. Just double check. Oh no, slip right at the end. And as you can see, the waveform is showing for me. So there seems to be a quieter bit there and a louder bit there. So I'm going to do it so the quieter bit maybe comes just towards the end. Yeah, so we go from about here. Right, I'm going to press select. Now, once that is yellow, your audio is yellow, you've got along the bottom, you've got some other options. You will see if you scroll along beats. Okay, now what you have here, quite a lot of beats, is every dot is a beat. Now you can have more or you can have less. Now it looks like lots and lots of little tiny dots there, or less, or you can have them off. So as you can see, no beats whatsoever, and you can add your own. We'll come to that a little bit later on. You can have less, and it automatically does it for you. You can have more. Okay, so we're going to go with less. Now less tends to be every 4, and more seems to be every 2. So what I mean by that is you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this will be every 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tends to be, but it finds the right rhythm and the right pace in terms of the beats per minute for the song. If you pick more, it tends to be on the 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it kind of tends to be. And I just wanted to point that out so you know why is there more dots. So we're going to stick with less and we're going to press yes. And you'll see now all the dots along the bottom. And if I press play, you'll see that there's a dot, dot. Okay, I quite like the zoom on the dot, right? That zoom was quite good on that dot, that hit that dot, so that was nice. So now we can chop and change. So if I zoom in a little bit and find my dots, I like the zoom on that dot, or maybe on this dot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, after that zoomed in there to there, we're going to cut on that dot. So we're going to select, looking at our audio timeline, we're going to select our video timeline and we're going to press split. Now I want it to change there. So I don't want that anymore. So I'm going to delete that. And now the change will happen on that beat. And then if we want that quick, here, if we want that quick, we can go, right, change is there. And then on that beat there. So we've got one beat there, yellow dot there, next yellow dot there. On that dot, we're going to select and we're going to split again. We're going to get rid of this. So now on the next change, it will change to my walk-in. And maybe we want the walk-in at the beginning. So maybe we'll select that, move that at the beginning because it's a bit of a journey one. And we'll just have a little tiny bit. We'll just have, I'm trying to think, yeah, these up to this second dot. And we're going to cut there, split there, and get rid of this, delete. Right, so now we've got cut, leave it a little bit. Actually, we probably want an earlier cut. We probably want it there. So I'm going to split there instead because it's the beginning of the track. So we want it to start with a little bit of tempo, get people interested in it. So it goes there, and on that dot, we cut. Then when it zooms in, we leave it a little bit. Zoom in, we cut. We change it there, we cut. We don't need that for long. We can cut that there. I don't think we need that there, actually. That can be at the end. So where were we? Let's go back to our... I think this is a little bit long, so I'm going to cut that as well. I'm going to bring that forward to this one. I'm going to split that. I'm going to get rid of this. And then so now we're going to go walk. And then we see Big Ben, and then it goes in and cuts. And again, to make sure it's on that beat, got to make sure, zoom in, look, it's not quite on that beat, if you see. So we're going to make this one a little bit longer. There you go. Can you see? It's right on now, that dot and that cut. So it happened. Change on the beat. Change on the beat. And I want to slip so that is go along. Ooh, go along slightly. Where's slip? I've got to find slip. I've lost the... There it is. And I just want it to zoom in, bang on the dot. So like that. Cool. Right. So these are us using the beat. Walk, change, walk. Big bend, zoom in, cut. Cut again. This pan, a little bit of flickery at the beginning. I don't want it, so I'm going to get rid of it. Or I'm going to just have a little bit of it up until the bus. And I'm going to cut that there, split, get rid of all of this. But obviously it's not to the beat yet, so we're going to have a look at where the nearest beat is. It's there on that one. So on this one, I'm going to bring this. Going to give this a little bit more room. Make sure that that is, there we go, on the beat, change. And again, I'm going to change it, bang on the beat there, split. There, how long we got? Okay, 2 minutes. Let's get rid of this. So that's really helpful. Obviously, if you want to change the beats, I'm going to leave that there for now. If you want to change the beats, you can go back to beats and you can change it to more. So you can have more dots and then you have more beats that you can edit to. Okay, more dots have appeared. So that's one version. Now I'm going to just mute that a second. I'm just going to add another track. And this, I just want to show you that you can add your own beats. So if we use, I'm going to go to saved and we'll just add this one in. Yep, over the top. You will see that when I press beats for this, it doesn't come up with any dots automatically, okay? What you can do though is you can add your own. So on a beat, you can play it and you can listen to da, 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 or you can do your own 4 counts. And when you hit a beat, you can play add da, da. So you can go, oh. So you can be doing it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And enter, and then your beats that you've added in. And obviously you can change the beats and add more in if you feel like it's needed, or if you want to hit particular tones or lyrics or sound effects instead of the melody or the bass. So that's just to give you an example. And again, we can then start to cut to that rhythm instead. Now we're not going to play that tune. And that's it really. In terms of adding your audio, making sure that your audio is the right tone that you want, having enough material, making sure you mark out the beats using the automatic beat marker in Instagram edits. And if it hasn't, putting your own beats in, and then once you've done your beats, you can cut to that music really easily. And don't forget, once you've done all that, you can also then save it as a template to then reuse it, and we'll come to templates in a different episode. Hope you found syncing and editing to the cuts to the beats helpful. If you have, give this a like, make sure you subscribe. There are lots more tutorials coming up, and there's already, this is number 10, so there's already 10 episodes in the last couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed it. That's it from me, and there's the alarm. Let's stop that. Have a good one. Take care. See you in the next one. Peace.